BES4 Power Pack 2 allows you to use the majority of the text tools to create artwork for your digital cutting machines. Click on the Text Tool down arrow, select a text tool, and then click on the Design page to activate the selected tool. Type in your text. In the Properties window, choose Artwork Cut Fonts from the Font Category drop-down menu and then click Apply. Choose a font style from the Font drop-down menu and then click Apply. Adjust any properties that you feel are necessary and then click Apply. Click on the Tools tab and choose Export FCM. Name the file and then press Save. If you have Power Pack 1, you can click on the Paste Setter button, choose Scan and Cut Machine, and then Send to Scan and Cut Machine. You can name the file if you want, but it isn't necessary. Press OK to send the file to the machine. You can also use the Truetype Fonts on your computer. In the Properties window, place a check mark in front of TTF, select a font, and then click Apply. You can add artwork designs to the text as well. Click on the Text Tool down arrow, select a text tool, and then click on the Design page to activate the selected tool. Type in your text. In the Properties window, place a check mark in front of TTF. Select a font and then click Apply. Change the text color by clicking on a color tile. Choose Add Design and then select an artwork folder. Select an artwork design and left mouse click to insert the design, or left mouse click and drag to draw a specific sized design. The text color can be matched to the artwork design by selecting the text and then clicking on a color tile on the Current Colors ribbon. Select all items. Click on the Arrange tab. Choose Horizontal Center and then Vertical Center. When you have finished designing, choose Layering Alignment and then choose Separate Layers to save the artwork layers. For more information about this and other Brother products, visit your local authorized Brother dealer.